Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The World Bank foresees investments of $550 million in Jamaica over the next 4 years. This is part of the new strategic partnership forged between the bank and Jamaica. Now, in a release, the bank says the new plan for 2024 to 2027 focuses on advancing green, resilient, and inclusive development. It will also support the government's efforts toward debt reduction and fiscal resilience. Emphasis is being placed on boosting human capital, creating higher quality jobs, and strengthening resilience to shocks. The plan should see the development of a comprehensive plan of technical and fiscal assistance targeting improving access to quality secondary education, boosting social protection coverage, strengthening the business environment, and access to finance. Pharmaceutical distributors R.A. Williams has expanded. The company opened a new warehouse at the New Brunswick Village in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Speaking at the grand opening this week, CEO of R.A. Williams, Audley Reed, says the new facility gives the company more space for the more than 130 kinds of goods it distributes.
Spanning over 21,000 square feet in space with modern offices and amenities, this building will enable us to effectively and efficiently serve our customers and our team members more effectively and efficiently as we strive to continue to grow. Our enhanced infrastructure will allow us to attract a wider range of local and international manufacturers and to expand our product range to meet the increasing demand and create a more inviting space for everyone who we interact with.
Now, the new space will also be powered by solar energy, providing 95% of the power needs. Meanwhile, Industry Minister Aubin Hill says the pharmaceutical market in Jamaica has major manufacturing and export potential.
Comtrade database on international trade, Jamaica's exports of pharmaceuticals, I bet you didn't know that, were recorded at $5.6 million in 2022. That's the last figure I have. According to Statista, the pharmaceutical market in Jamaica is projected to achieve $97 million this year and is expected to grow by about 5 or 6% in the next year.
To some other news now, the Bank of Jamaica says usage of electronic retail payment systems increased for January to November 2023. Now, these systems include point-of-sale machines. The central bank's annual report shows that for the period, there were 134.4 million retail payment transactions processed, valued at 4.12 trillion Jamaican dollars. This reflected an increase of 4.7% in volume. The overall value, however, dropped by 3%, or 141 billion compared to 2022. The BOJ says the growth in volumes mainly reflected an increase in debit card transactions. Now, the Jamaican dollar gained 10 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading today. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.62. The Canadian is going for $116.78. $197.65 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for $170.82. And to the stock market, the JSE index lost 2,094 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 6 points. Among the 36 winners were Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, Consolidated Bakeries, and Salada Foods. The 50 losers were led by General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks, JFP, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities, now 24 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.